Here at Federal Brace, we like to innovate. And today, I'm going to show you a bracket that can get you 750 pounds of carry capacity with just a single part.
Give me the strongest thing you got.
It's for floating benches, and it's called the Americus bracket. Let's get started. Now, once you see the Americus, you may notice that it looks very similar to two other parts that we sell, the Olympus bracket and the Atlas.
Listen guys, I think we all want to know the same thing, right? Who's the strongest? Well, there's only one way to solve that.
All right, we're getting ready to install the Americus bracket, but what I want to tell you first is that this is a two-piece construction. We have what we call a tipping plate, and we have our bracket, and you're also going to receive fasteners, very important. Now, what you're going to need is access to the inside of your stud wall. So we've got that cut out here, and we're going to need to install our bracket into the stud base, and our tipping plate is going to install in between the studs. Now, I've already pre-drilled my holes, so you didn't get to see that on camera, but we have our included fasteners here. We're going to go ahead and get those in. All right, now that we've got that installed, next up we are going to do our tipping plate. Now again, this will go between the studs, and if you have any issues getting it into there, you can always use the hammer to knock it in place. But it's going to go right in front of our bracket, and it's going to keep our bracket from tipping. All right, now before we finish installing the tipping plate, one thing I do want to note, if you are going to be putting the Americus bracket or any Olympus Atlas style bracket side by side, then you're going to want to make sure you angle your screws whenever you go in for the tipping plate. So that way, if you're using the same stud from both sides, your screws aren't running into each other. All right, we've got the Americus installed. It's ready for our next floating bench application, and it can be ready for your next project as well. Find it at federalbrace.com. And by the way, federalbrace.com is the only place you're gonna find a 750-pound carry capacity bracket for anything from floating benches, floating shelves, floating counters, and the like. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.